This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Joe Petno. Property is priced below market value. List price is starting bid price. See attached easy addendum. This is a 1-level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home. It sits on a large corner lot with nice landscaping. The open floor plan includes vaulted ceilings, plantation shutters and a spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, large upgraded sink and walk-in pantry. The main bedroom has a walk-in closet, with bathroom with a walk-in shower, garden tub and linen closet. Newer roof, 2022, newer air conditioner and hot water heater. The windows have been upgraded to hurricane impact resistant windows. The lanai is an oasis of relaxation with a heated pool, covered area and screened. Just minutes from I-75 in a convenient location to shopping and restaurants. For more